Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the start screen and interface of PowerPoint application. Once we open the PowerPoint application, we will get this start window. This window helps us to open or work with recently saved files. You can even open this from the folders where you saved this. This gives us an option to work with the blank presentation, and already built-in templates are available. Different type of templates we can see here. Now to see the interface in detail, we are selecting this option, blank presentation. So once we select the blank presentation, we will see a screen like this. In this screen, the first one is your quick access toolbar. So this quick access toolbar will help us to select commonly using commands. From this directly we can access. Below that you have got a ribbon. This ribbon has got different tabs like home, insert, design, transitions, animations. These are what called as your tabs, including slideshow, review, and view. The first one is what your file menu. This file menu will give us an option to see the commands like new presentation, open the presentation, save, print, etc. Now, left side of the screen, you can see the slide navigation pane. So this slide navigation pane will help you to move between different slides if you have more slides here. Then in the middle, you can see the slide. This slide has got a text frame to enter our text. The text frame is also known as placeholders. So we will be entering the text inside this text frame or in this placeholder. Below the slide, we can see notes pane, where we can add some notes about the slide. Right side of this window, we have a zoom slider. This zoom slider will help us to adjust the zoom. Near to that, we can see the view buttons in PowerPoint. PowerPoint, you have got a slideshow view, a reading view, slide sorter view, and the normal view. Currently, we are in the normal view. We will see what are the different uses of the other views in PowerPoint. Now, to arrange your text or object properly on the screen, it is better to display the ruler also. To display the ruler, we will make use of the view tab. The view tab, you can see inside the shows group, we'll keep a selection in the ruler checkbox. So the rulers are visible here. So these are the main parts of your Microsoft PowerPoint application window. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.